Hi there everyone, welcome back to Infinity Drones. Today we can take a look at something really special. It's the iFlight Camera 7 Pro V2, and this is just going to be a quick unboxing, so to show you guys what is in the box. Without further ado, let's get started. So, it comes obviously in the standard iFlight box. When you open it up, you're going to see quite a nice layout of things. They always seal it quite nicely. The first thing you're going to notice is the side plates, and you're going to notice that they have LEDs in there as well. Very nice. Put it on the side. All the screws and standoffs that you require. Some stickers if you want to add it to your box. Some nice, very thick gauge wire there, plus the plug that you can screw it onto the rear of the 3D print. Your motor wire protectors if you need them. And this is actually something really cool. They actually give you a 21.5 centimeter MIPI cable. Now if you have a DJI 03 system, which this obviously supports, then you're going to notice that this cable is only about 15 centimeters long. So it's very nice that they give you this cable, because that means you can replace the cable on your 03 system immediately, so that you are able to put the Vista or the Air unit all the way in. Your new camera brackets on the front, all metal, very nice. It feels like nice and heavy, good quality. Your motor protectors if you would like to add the extra weight. And something very cool as well is your little distribution board, which is nice. It's got a built-in buzzer that's going to fit into the bottom of your frame on the front, and you can see there it has its little plugs where you can put your LEDs from the side plates in there as well. Then you've got your GoPro mount with the screws and an Allen key if needed. Your DJI 03 heatsink that they provide, so if you want to have that, you can have that as well. And then you've got your adapters. So for instance, I will be using Express LRS Diversity, so I will definitely make use of this 3D print over here. And also there's the receiver mount, and very nice that they do include the little SMA grippers that you can tighten it quite nicely. They also give you some 3D prints for the rear. This is obviously where you're going to put in your XT30 or XT60 connector. Your antenna is going to come out the rear with the SMAs, and then you have your little bracket where you can put your crossfire antenna or your Express LRS antenna, and then you've got your 3D print for the GPS. Now this is just going to slot into the rear. If I take it over here, it'll just go into there, and you'll see that you can then adjust the tilt as needed. You get some very nice 25 centimeter iFlight battery straps, and so getting stuck there. You get two of the UFL to SMA adapter cables as well. Now obviously this is to go and replace the antenna from your 03 unit, so you're going to have two antennas that you put onto the rear. You're getting two battery gripper rubbers, and then obviously you get the frame. Now if you take a look at the frame, it has a little spot for the buzzer on the front as well. Like I said, it's a very nice little touch that they put on there as well. And then lastly, you're going to get your manual or your instruction list. So obviously if you don't know how to build the frame or want to follow the instructions along, it tells you exactly which bolt goes where and how you would like to configure the whole thing. What is nice there is that they mention if you want to put maybe a little in and out little transistor in there, so you have a bit of a popper or voltage spike anti-spark filter, then you can see where you can put that one there as well. So all in all, this is an incredibly nicely packaged unit. I have to say iFlight is really stepping up their game in the quality department and how they package things, how they present things. So out of you guys have probably seen it in the Evoke series that they've got there as well. This is the same theme going through here as well, where it's just becoming a bit more consumer friendly every single time they do this. This is a DIY kit, so if you are going to build it, obviously taking responsibility, you can put in your own parts, everything like that. But what's nice about this unit is that everything you need is in this one package. You just need to put in your hardware. Now we do know that with the Camera 7 Pro V2, with the side plates on, your space inside the drone is going to be quite restricted, so please make sure you do your homework and pick the correct stacks. I would recommend probably going for a 20 by 20 stack. I am going to put in a 30 by 30 stack in here, but you will have more space if you go with a smaller stack. Well, that's it, guys. If you like what you're seeing on this channel, please take a look at the links below for if you guys want to maybe take a look at and where you can purchase this. Obviously, you can purchase it from iFlight or from Amazon or wherever, but I will have links in the description as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be doing a build video on this pretty soon, probably in the next week or two, so please keep your eye out on that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. On to the next one.